Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today we will discover about the CapCut application, and I would like to show you the way how you can turn on or you can get the underwater effect on CapCut for your video. Open your CapCut application, you can just create a new project, or you can also add the project that you already have here. I already have this project and there is no sound or any audio on it, and I would like to add the underwater effect or underwater effect sounds. Just go click this audio and go click sound effects, and then just need to type underwater and go click it, and there will be like an underwater audio that you can choose here. Just pick which underwater effect that you want. Just download it first and then wait until the audio is available to be used for your clip. So basically this process will take the time. Go click this plus button after it's done, and don't forget to adjusting the length of the audio. Bring the straight line into the end of the clip. Just tap the audio, split, and delete for the rest. And it's not done yet, you just need to tap into the audio sections again, and then the next thing you need to do is just go click this volume and adjusting the volume that you want to have. If you want to have this underwater effect sounds going louder, drag it into the right side. You can make it like until 1000, but then if you want to make it like slow and smooth, drag it into the left side to make it like less. And then just click this button, and then you are done. So that is for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just drop into the comments below, and don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. Let's meet again into other tutorial.